Welcome to Your Minute of Content. We're here to give restoration pros like you a quick, powerful tip to help you win more jobs and keep your business growing. I'm Michael Cowden, and today's minute is simple. Document, document, document. Why? Because great documentation is the difference between getting paid and getting a headache. You're not just restoring property, you're building a legal record. Every photo, every video, and every note proves the extent of the damage and justifies your bill. Think of it this way. Your camera is your most powerful tool. Take pictures of the damage before you start and track every conversation with the client and adjuster. This builds trust and protects your bottom line. So before you grab your gloves, grab your phone, or in our case, your digital inventory system. The photos you take today could save you thousands tomorrow. That's your minute. I'm Michael Cowden with Content Recovery Specialist. Stay tuned for your next minute of content.